The future is today. Hi everyone, I am Nicola, one of the co-founders of Team-GPT, and I will show you today how you can start collaborating with your teammates and friends in ChatGPT right now and increase your productivity 20-fold. Team-GPT allows you to work collaboratively on ChatGPT threads with other people. You can also do many more things like duplicate your chats or delete messages and contacts. And all this comes with a preset library of prompts we have prepared for you. Now let's get into the demo. Firstly, you need to go to team-gpt.com and create an account. It's super simple, so I will speed through it. Next, you need to create your organization. This is your workspace where you will collaborate with other people. You can add a name and a logo, invite other person, and that's it. You're in. Now we are in the dashboard. First thing you can do is manage your organization. From this menu, you can see who's a member of your team and who's invited. With our free plan, you can have up to 2 people in an organization. For up to 10 people, you need our Pro plan. You can create as many organizations as you want. Then you need to connect your API key. You can get your own API key from OpenAI using this link. You need to add a billing method first, create your API key, and then add it in our system. This gives access to ChatGPT to both you and your team. Only the person who connected the key will be billed for the usage. Now you can start using the system. On the left side, you have the chats, and on the right, we have the prompts. Let's start with the chats. To create a new chat, just click here. Next, you will be asked whether you want this chat to be private or shared. You can use this toggle to switch between them. I will make this chat private so nobody can see it. Then you choose the ChatGPT model you want to use. If you have access to GPT-4 API, it will appear here. After the conversation is started, you can move the private conversation to a shared one. Click on the top to share, then move the toggle to shared with team. If you want to share the chat with the public, move this toggle. Copy the link, and anyone with the link can now see this chat. However, they can't see your other chats or prompts. Next, let's focus on a thread. Team-GPT is amazing when it comes to collaborating with other people. One person can start a conversation, another one can continue it, and then the next one and the next one. On the top right of the screen, you can see all the members who are a part of this conversation. If you particularly like an answer or a prompt, you can react to it. Using our forking feature, you can easily duplicate conversation. Just click here from a certain response, choose whether the new chat is public or private, and that's it. You have duplicated a conversation and all the context so far. Good job! But what if you made a mistake and want to go back and delete a prompt? You can do that too. With our delete feature, it's easy to go back, remove context, and add a new one. You can go back as far as you need. This is another feature not available on ChatGPT right now. You can also easily rename chats, move them to folders, or delete them. Now let's move over to the prompts. Team-GPT has a shared library of prompts ready to be used. Let's start with personas. If you want to ask the bot to act as a certain person, it is very simple. Just choose one of the persons we have on the side. Let's use a startup CEO. To invoke a prompt, go to the chat line, use / and type the name of the prompt. Here is startup CEO. Just press enter twice and prompt is ready to be used. Now the bot will act as Startup CEO for the duration of this chat. There are other prompts that require the user to fill in some details. Let's say we are preparing a press release. We can use / again to search for prompts, find the press release, and start filling in the variables. Once that is done, the prompt is completed, and we can send it out. And here's a ready-to-use press release. Lastly, you can create your own prompts that are shared with your team. Click here to create a new prompt and open it. You can rename them. I will call this one Email Subject Prompt. The description is for other people to know what the prompt is about. And now you can write your prompt. This prompt will create a sales email subject line. I can tell it how many words I want it to have and what tone to use. To add variables, you need to use these double brackets that we will need to fill in later. With the prompt done, we can now use it. I will search for a new prompt, fill in the variables, and our prompt is completed. We send it out, and here's the result. As before, you can rename prompts, move them to a folder, or delete them. Many more features are coming soon. To see them all, you can check out our roadmap on the link below. Well, there you have it, guys. Collaborating in ChatGPT has never been this easy. Get your Team-GPT today. If you have any feedback or questions for us, you can write to us at humans@teamgpt.com. Thank you for watching and have an amazing day.